Hey guys, what is going on? It is Mr. Crayfish. You guys already know who I am. Otherwise, why would you be at this live stream? Pretty sure you guys all subscribed to my channel, but today we are we are working on the device mod. This is something I haven't worked on in a while, and thank you guys all for the hype before we actually started the live stream. I was watching the chat there. Oh my god, I don't know, I'm not feeling like in a super duper live stream mode today, but I'm gonna see how I go. I just kind of wanted to work on the device mod because, I mean, it hasn't been on a halt. It's just because right now in the device mod, I'm working on the file system and I've had to kind of refactor a lot of it because we're dealing with a lot of data here, and if we're actually sending this data all the time on a server, it's going to be bad. So I'm trying to figure out a system that it only kind of sends the data that it needs, and it's been a bit of a struggle and it's kind of put me off. But hopefully we can get some progress done today. I will try and make it as exciting as I can, but I feel like this will most likely be a lot of code in this live stream. But I'll try and get in game and that kind of stuff, so you guys can see. Well, I don't even know if we'll get in game today. That's what I'm trying to say here. But yeah, let's have a look. Here's the live stream's going. The live stream is going. Maybe you have to refresh your page there. You are a really good programmer. I'm alright. Nah, I'm good, but I'm not like good or super duper good. I just endured a 2-hour drive from Dalfsen to Rotterdam, Netherlands. Dang, 2-hour drive. What did you do on that drive? But the problem where we're kind of stuck at the moment is I honestly don't even know. I've literally just got so confused with my code. I mean, I'm not confused with my code. I'm just trying to think of what part do I work on next, and I've kind of lost that point where I was like, oh, I need to do this, I need to do that, and then I'll come back to this. I honestly do not know where I am up to, and that is a little bit of a problem because now it's just a matter of figuring everything out here. Okay. Alright. What we're gonna do, because this is really annoying. Now, I wish I could really show you guys kind of an idea or what I'm trying to do here inside of my code, because right now I can't run this. It's been I haven't been able to run this thing for a very long time, and it's kind of annoying me. I haven't been able to get in the game for ages. I've literally been working on code. Am I tired? Yeah, I would say I'm a little bit tired. So this won't be a long live stream tonight. Maybe only an hour and a half. So I am doing shout outs as well. So if you go to my Twitter, in the description below, retweet the tweet that says retweet for a shout out, and I'll be doing shout outs at the end of the live stream. What am I going to be adding today? I'm not going to be adding anything. I'm continuing to work on the file system, which has been in the process for a very long time, and I really want to get it out to you guys because you guys don't really have an updated API version yet. And I know there's been a couple of people messaging me saying oh, they want to work on apps for the device mode, and I've just been wait, because I want to get this new API version out for you guys so you can actually start using the file system. But it's literally becoming the biggest pain ever. So we're gonna see what we can do today. It's just trying to figure out how, because the problem is with development. Working with GUIs and that kind of stuff. You can't do stuff client side. You want to be working with the data on server side. Otherwise, if you trying to get this across to you guys in something that wouldn't be too difficult to understand. But pretty much if you're working with data, if you're working with a GUI, you've kind of got to sync that data to the server. So let's say you want to retrieve a file from the laptop. You pretty much have to go to the server, go to the server, get the file, and send it back to the client. And the whole problem is trying to figure out a good system that allows developers to easily use the file system while also making, like, it needs to be easy for developers to use. And the way I did it before was all the data from the file system would be sent to the player, and then you would manipulate that, and then it would send all the data back, which is a bit of a problem because if you have a huge file system, that's going to be a pretty big network issue. It's going to be a big performance hit on the server. So you can imagine if you had a big server and a lot of people are sending that data, the server's going to get jam-packed, and it's going to be like, what do I do? So I'm trying to reduce that as much as I can. But I did have a working version. I'm going to say that I did have a working version, but then I started thinking, nah, this is not good. I'm going to have a look at some questions here. Can you do a shout out for me? I am doing shout outs at the end of the live stream. So if you do go retweet that tweet, I will be doing them at the end. And if you're not here at the end, this live stream will be up on my channel, so you will be able to check it out afterwards. I need to get some water here real quickly. I know a better name for the squad, the notification squad. I like that. The notification squad. That's so hard to say. Notification squad. You guys are weird. Oh god. Alright. People are saying they ate cheese and crackers. I like you guys. Someone had cheese and crackers for dinner. Oh my god. The dreams do come true, my friend. I want to eat cheese and crackers. How many people in the chat here have ate cheese and crackers because of me? I've never asked that question. How many of you guys have gone there and be like, oh, I want to eat cheese and crackers because that's what Mr. Crayfish does? How many of you guys have done that? Let me know right now. The problem with this code right now is I really don't know where to start. I'm literally what do I do, What do I do? Because very, very kind of difficult. Alright, so let's figure this out, they say. So I really need to do I've got it I know what in my head I've got to do, but it's writing that down into code is the problem. So we need to try and figure out, so what's kind of a use case. So let's, for instance, where is one that I'm using? I think it's a note. Where is it? Note stash here. No, can you guys read the code? I think I'm streaming at 1080p, so you guys should be able to read the code. Let me know if you can't read the code or not, because I will increase the size of the text here just so you guys can actually read it. How the fish, people said, what do I said? I have eat cheese and crackers because of you. Someone said, me. Why am I growing a beard? I mean, I'm not purposely growing a beard, I just haven't been bothered to shave recently. Just because I've been back at university and that kind of stuff. I guess I've been a little bit lazy in that department. Do you need device ideas? I do not need any at the moment. Is young Greg okay? I think he's okay. I think he's okay. He's still stuck in his den, so he's doing alright. I've been checking up on him. We got a security camera in there now. So we can check up on him. So the problem that I'm having here is, alright, so this can work. So pretty much, okay, so people say they can't read it. We can, I'll turn it up a little bit. I'll just make sure. You guys remind me to switch this back afterwards, because I might not do it. Or I might not know the size that we're dealing with here. Editor, appearance, is that right? Nope. Colors and fonts, this looks correct. And then let's turn the size up to 16. Is that going to be good? Alright. That might be a little bit better for you guys now. I'm just doing it for the live stream. Personally, I don't like it this big because I see less code, but we could also bring that down. Yeah. We don't need it for now. We probably don't even need it because we're not going to be running anything. At 360p, it's starting to be difficult. If you probably stream at a high, like 360p in general, you won't be able to see anything regardless, even if it's like a game. You'll be like, what is that blur? So yeah, don't stream at 360p. What are you living in 2009? Is this guy living in 2009? It's 360p. I mean, notification squad guy, all the notification squad guys always on that 240p. That's how you know you're a true notification squad. So like this is the whole dialogue, set the folder. Like I had this whole dialogue system, and now you can like set the folder. Like this is really awesome. I really wish I could show you guys. And I can maybe, if you revert a couple of things here. I don't think I changed them. Let's compare here. How do I... I'm just going to close others. And then let's open common file here. How do I... Is there a way to like put that over the other side? Split vertical. Alright, cool. I'm just making sure that these are the same. Oh, that's the same. Whoops. Bring those all imports back up. Oh, okay. Oh, it's because I'm extending common file. Okay. Alright, so it looks like it's still all the same. I haven't touched it at all. So what we're going to do there is actually just copy common file back into file here. We're going to delete common file because I kind of want to start back from the scratch. Let's have a look. I'm just going to check my GitHub here and see what actually changed here. Oh my god, there's so many like errors. Hold up, what I'm going to do is make it easier. Let's just not do that. Let's not do that. Alright, let's delete. Let's rename this. People are saying, why am I using IntelliJ? I just kind of made the switch. Just kind of made the switch, you know. It felt better that I did actually. Can I overwrite that? Refactor. Oh my god, I can't do that. Let's just delete. Okay. Delete. Okay. Let's pop that into there. Alright, there we go. Let's double check some other things here. What was I saying? I just literally forgot what I was saying. What does someone say? Oh my god, can you guys literally just remind me in the chat what I was just talking about there? Also, is my webcam off a little bit? Because I've been watching like my previous live streams and my webcam has been off, like not in sync with my voice, and it's probably just due to the webcam, so I might invest in a better one. I probably will, 100%. I've said that so many times. I also want to get some lighting as well. Seriously, I need to buy some. I'll probably do it real soon because I want to I want to have a better webcam. I want to have a better setup, but I do have stuff in the works at the moment as well. I really don't know what I was talking about a second. I'm still looking at the chat here to see what I was talking about. Mr. Crayfish, I have no Twitter. Can I have a shout out? My name is Master of the Cats. Shout out to you, dude. You should get Twitter. You should follow me there because I actually do a lot of cool content. Kind of like it has like all my latest stuff. I'll like post things about if a video is going up. I'll post previews of stuff I'm working on. So a lot of like development as well outside of this you'll be able to see over there on my Twitter. It's a bit out of sync. Starting from scratch is what I said. Oh yeah. So yeah, pretty much want to take this. Oh yeah, GitHub. There we go. All right, cool. So I might be able to actually just revert things on here instead of actually reversing. That looks right. Let's have a look here. Nope. Nope. Let's not do that. File. What did I do here? Okay, I formatted it. That's alright. Folder. That's alright. I've just got this massive friggin' list here of like all these changes that I made that are like just why don't I even I want to get rid of this. Alright, discard changes. Oh god. How come I can't revert that? Yeah, I know it's being used. I have to figure that one out. They say. Cray, the sound has a problem. It does not match the video. Please fix. I can't do too much about that at the moment. I'm not sure why it's being delayed. It might be... let's see if I can do something here. Properties. Oh my god. Configure video. Advanced settings. Maybe... Oh, I can... flip that around. Hey, look at that. That's actually the way I have it. I think that's the right way I have it on my videos. That's looks correct. Let's keep it that way because now it looks like I'm looking down at my code. I think it looks like I'm looking down at my code. Yeah. All right, that's better. That's proper. That's what it looks like on my videos. Flip it around. Alright. I can't find anything to fix up that data. To fix up that sync issue. That's why I said I was going to get a new webcam. I personally recommend Logitech for webcams. Yeah, I've got a Logitech at the moment, but it's like a real cheap one. It's like, it can only do like 720p. But like that 720p is like the lowest bitrate ever. And the worst ever camera. It's literally like a pinhole camera. I'm not gonna lie. You could probably get a better photo from like a really super duper old camera than this webcam. That's how crap it is. Alright. Oh, what's that? Missing a colon there. So let's go ahead and I want to get this running, I just want to like run it. Just run it. trying to figure out. Fingerprint scanner. He's using Notepad++. No, I'm not. Let me just close this off. Yes. Save the changes. Why was this stream in my recommendations? Maybe you've been watching my channel. Maybe you've been watching my channel, dude. I don't know. Recommendations is based on what you watch, so maybe you're into programming or something like that. Alright, so what the flippity flip's going on here? Alright, let's, oh my god, look at all the amount of changes that I've done in this stupid update that I'm trying to do here. Like, it's ridiculous how much I've changed in this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I really want to undo that. How come I can't undo those changes? I thought the green one was the, I don't know, that means new. Git, revert. Alright, there we go. Cool. Reverted that because it wasn't letting me do it in here. I've never been in contact with this channel before. I don't know what's going on, dude. I don't know what's going on. That's YouTube for you. That is YouTube for you. Tile into the laptop. What are we doing here? Why was that ever like that? Alright, so let's get rid of that. Get data. System data, file system. So we shouldn't even have to worry about doing like setting that to new data. Get data. What is get data for? Get application data, get system data. Shouldn't even need that. Don't even need that. That's all we should currently need. Ugh. What the flippity flip? Data. Should I get some music on, guys? Because it's gonna be a lot of coding, and maybe you guys might be a little bit more excited if I have some music going, because I want to try and like focus on doing a lot of coding and see. I'll try and get something working for you guys, so I can just show you guys kind of the file system again, because I think it's really awesome. I think the file system's like one of those really it's a cool feature because it's going to extend this laptop a lot. It's just a matter of actually trying to get it to work at the moment. Remember to snap that like button if like the idea that Mr. Crayfish cooks Mr. Piggles. Who's Mr. Piggles? I only know a Sir Piggles. Put a song in the background. Yes, music. I'm eating bacon right now. Oh my god. We need music. We want to dance. Oh my god, you guys are... You gotta show me your moves. What the... You gotta show me your moves, everybody. Alright, let's get something on here. Let's make sure that the volume is not going to kill all my headphone users here. Alright, let's play. Let me know if that's like too loud or anything. I can't like hear it. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff right there. Alrighty, let's get into this. Get that music to hype us up. That's how we roll. I'm eating cheese and crackers right now. Dude, you are winning. You're in my good books. You're in my good books. Set system data. What the fudge? Get rid of you. Oh no, I need this stuff. Yeah. Okay. That can stay. Set system data. Oh my god. That should be equals tag.copy. Because pretty much this tag here is that entire tag there. It's like one of my favorite songs, I'm not gonna lie. If it's too loud, let me know. Because I might be like peaking loud. Might be loud as heck. Give at a louder music. I think that the song's quiet at the start, that's why I couldn't hear it. It's just a quiet song at the start. You eating what? What? Alright, so I'm just like, I've just got like a ton of stuff here, like, why do I have this at the moment? Let's just have a look at all the errors here. Get, what is this one? Oh, it just wants a laptop. There you go. Wait, why does laptop want a, it wants a tile entity laptop? I was thinking like, why does laptop want a laptop when it's already a laptop? But wants a tile entity. I was gonna burp, and I did. Get file system. Alright. Okay, so we are kind of still sending the whole entire file system here at the moment, so that should work fine. Let's get rid of that breakpoint. Get away here, breakpoint. Nope. That's all cool. Note stash. You cool, note stash? Ah, oopsie. Get rid of that. Just for now. Can be. Oh no, I never know. Don't need that. How come that it just threw me an error? Return null. We will do. Whoops. Just do a nullable there, just for now. Alright, let's suss what we got here going. Bank. Why are you giving me an error, bank? That would be why. Oh my jeez. It did not like me deleting that. It's called a callback. What is going on here? Deposit. Find new response. Replace with new callback. Set response. Oh my god, there's so many. Why did this... Hold up. Let's go to task here and we can just revert that. Cha-ching. Beautiful. And then set callback just revert a bunch of things here. What is this doing? Get balance. Bank key tool. Oh my god, everything literally changed. Alright, there we go. Yeah, don't do that, kids. Don't do that. I think I can revert half of this anyway. Alright, there we go. That's all good. Component, file browser. Oh my god. Add action. Is that... Okay. This was kind of like my first attempt here at doing something. It's my first attempt at doing something. Cool, Crayfish, you did something. If you want to shout out, retweet this, yeah. King Yoshi knows where it's at. Is IntelliJ? Yes. It is an IntelliJ idea. Kind of made the switch just because it is actually faster. I'm not gonna lie, it is actually faster. It's easy. It's not like, it's honestly not any different. I'm gonna say that right now. It's honestly not any different, and I've switched up all the key mappings to actually match Eclipse. So pretty much what I learned, all the kind of keyboard shortcuts from Eclipse, I can pretty much do all the same in here, so it's not too much of a problem that I made the switch. Plus, I don't know, I feel like it just works better, this program. It just works better. Application, mine, bay, revert, discard changes. Is that fixed? Alright, cool. What was that doing? Set file system data. Okay. Get rid of you. Action, apparently still that. Just comments out everything. And we got a problem here. It's an import issue. Is that everything fixed? Let's just rebuild the project, see it here, and see if it compiles. And yes, no. Yeah, it worked. Okay, it worked. It worked. We can actually run the game for once. Haven't run the game in honestly like 2-3 weeks. Honestly have not. There's a keyboard and phone and other computer parts. I think they're made of chocolate, so when you're doing your gun mod you're eating bullets. When your device mod you're eating devices. Yeah, I should eat my phone. I should eat my phone right now. That was funny when I was like, I was developing. It was the gun mod. I might do a gun mod maybe tomorrow night. Oh no, I can't tomorrow night. Oh no, maybe I can tomorrow. Oh, I know I can't tomorrow night. Maybe Wednesday night I can do another gun mod live stream, and we can eat some more bullets. Eating bullets while developing a gun mod, but those bullets are in fact like raspberry licorice coated in white chocolate, they're dope. They're dope. If you haven't had them, have them. Don't eat too much of them though. They're not good for you. Alright, so there we go. We've run the program. Where's the file browser? So there it is. So I mean, like, it's honestly awesome. It is honestly awesome. I love the file browser. I think like this is just like so cool that it's actually like a proper file system in a way. So you can go like home here. The only problem is that my kind of click detection is bad because it flashes all these icons. but I don't know if I can. Kind of have to click it pretty fast for it to actually work, but that's how it's supposed to work anyway. So let's see if this works here. So I should be able to go into Note Stash here. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. So I've actually gone to, oh, it's already created it. It's already created it. But if I actually go into here and do a new, we should see it automatically update. Well, I think that's what it does. Hello. Hey guys. Hey dudes. If I go save and then call this is a dialogue, by the way, so this is like something, if you're a developer you can get access to this. It's pretty much a dialogue, so it gives you basically the file browser here, but in kind of like a save dialogue, so you can enter in a name. Hello. Click save here. Have a look at that. So I think something glitched out here. I'm not sure why it's not returning the correct name, but as you can see over here in the file browser, which this is a completely separate application, we've already got this file actually here. Now, one thing I do want to implement is you can actually double click these files and it will open up the application, which I can do because I already know what application this is, because by this icon here it's saying it's pointing to, basically in the file here we've got information about which application it actually opens with, so we can easily open this with an application, and then in the application as well there'll be a method on how to handle files and that kind of stuff. Shoutouts will be done at the end of this live stream, so if you did go over to my Twitter and retweet, I'll be doing shoutouts at the end of the live stream. I can't be constantly doing them throughout the stream because I'd be constantly getting retweets and that would distract from process. So it's always a good, from progress I mean. So it's always good to do it at the end while we're finishing up the live stream, because then I can do everybody at the same time. Are you going to make it that you have an app for your RC car mod, control it from your device, etc.? I don't know about that. No, not even any plans or anything like that. So it wasn't even on any sort of list. It wasn't even an idea. So no plans for that right now, or ever. Boat races doesn't work for me. Minecraft crashes. Yeah, boat races a little bit glitchy at the moment. It kind of was like just a bit of an experiment that you could actually create like a track. Like, it's cool, and I do want to make use of it, but maybe I'll make use of this rendering system in a different way. I don't know. But boat races was cool. Like, you can create your own track. It's like 3D as well. I think it's cool. Let's go out of that. Let's not get distracted too much here. But yeah, look at that. We got Note Stash. Now, I want to make sure, does this actually save? File browser. Okay, so it is, I think it's working. Let's exit the, game, or not exit the world here and see if it will actually, it's going to let me exit. Oh. We have a flippin' huge Stack Overflow here, and it's coming from one of my classes. Which one? I do not know, but we'll suss it out here in a second. So it's going to be to do with the file system. To tag. To tag. What is actually causing this? Where's the System32 folder where you can delete everything? You mean the folder to speed up your computer? This thing is like, it's in a Stack Overflow at the moment, so it's just gonna, spit out whatever it wants. Where is this, like? How can I track Stack Overflows? Let's go file system here, and then we are saying to tag root folder, to tag, I think that's it, yeah, would be here, to tag for each file, set tag. Doesn't make sense. What am I even looking at here? So files, so all the files in this folder, for each of them, set the tag. Wouldn't I do file.to tag? Where did OBS go? Alright, there we go. Let's head into the game here and see if it worked this time. Look at Cray coding while coding. What? It's not a smartphone mod. I do want to add in a phone into this, however it's not priority at the moment. Alright, let's see if I can do this in this time. Just save something. Should have that in the file system here. Yup. Okay, it worked that time. Alright. So if we go back into here, we should hopefully have... Dang it! It didn't doesn't have the file system here to tag. I think it might be a problem with from tag. Let's just do some tracking here. You guys can't see this, sorry. So this is where it should actually read it in, and we should get the files back. Let's just make sure in here we are file system. Alright. Where's the master boot record? What? Oh my god, I'm your biggest fan, Mr. Crayfish. Shout out to you, Savage Gaming Plays. McCrayfish, actually, he said. He said McCrayfish. McDonald's, McCrayfish. I made a stream. I have a world that has all your builds. Interesting. Interesting. Rip Sir Piggles. He didn't die. Look, he's right there. That is actually a picture of Sir Piggles, like legit picture of Sir Piggles. Alright, so let's test this out here. Oh no, did we run debug mode? I don't think we did. Hold up. Cheese and crackers are awesome. Certainly indeed they are. I feel like I'm not in like the biggest live stream mood at the moment, like literally sometimes I'm like super duper into it, but I really wanted to work on the device mod today, and also at the same time data is nothing, which is understandable. Understandable, have a nice day. Oop. And we just go client side. So you just kind of got all the standard stuff, so root, files, application. Am I sending the data back? That might be the problem. Laptop. On close. Hold up, you'll see this in a second here. Hold on guys, hold on. On close. How am I actually sending that data back? I don't think I'm not even sending it back at all, because I'm just closing it. Close an application, and then that's actually, oh, it's not even sending. How's that work? Why have I got an app data? I think I need to do that anyway. Pos.getx. Oh, you guys can't even see this. I'm so sorry. Someone's gonna write viruses. I mean, you honestly could write a virus with this, but I mean that's kind of the same for anything. However, there's kind of gonna be, in terms of like creating add-ons for this, there might be a very specific process. Like I might force you guys to you have to kind of post your mod over on CurseForge, and then after that you can go ahead and post your mod on like the forum page or something like that to actually get it kind of advertise it, so people, if they go onto the device API forum, they can find all the applications there, but they'll be hosted on CurseForge, and CurseForge pretty much scans everything and double checks on everything, so pretty much takes away that kind of process of me having to moderate all these kind of add-ons for it. Hopefully I can actually host them as add-ons on there. I don't see why not. I can't, you know. I'll have to check up the rules and see what happens. before I make any kind of, before I go ahead and say, oh, everybody go upload your add-ons to here, I want to make sure that I can actually do that and don't want to get you guys in trouble, you know? Trying to figure out why it was, where's app data get used? Find usages. Ah, that makes sense. Okay, this is the song that has swearing in it. Let's skip that one. Someone was literally commenting about that, like one of the songs had like swearing in it, and I was like, oh, does it? Because I don't really listen to the music, so if you guys ever hear anything in the music, let me know, because I'll make sure I don't play that again. What song was that? Oh my god, Sir Eagles is amazing. Sir Eagles is amazing. Alright, we might have to restart. Oh no, we'll try this out real quickly. Alright, so if we go back here. Alright, it's all good. We want to make sure that when we actually exit this, we will actually get the files. Because what I might do... I don't know if I should do that. Nah, I probably shouldn't. What's going on? Ah, it's because the it's giving me some problems here. Because look what the data says. Is that? Yeah. The data says here that pretty much it doesn't have any files to do with it at all. Not good. Not good, I tell ya. Wait, what? How did it get there? Ah. Okay, so the problem is that I'm not actually sending the data back, and I think I know where that is. So it's pretty much on my close here, because before I had it actually so that it would packet handler center server new message update file system, but that might be like, yeah, that's like something completely weird. Don't have anything like implemented properly to save it at the moment. Can change that around. I'm just trying to figure out how costly it would really be to send all the data at once, because I can for now just do it, and because like it might honestly not be a lot of data. I don't know, it might be, because like you think about it, when I don't know what type of mod it is, but like that might even, I don't know if that does it. It's client to server, I don't know. What is it, young Greg? Oh, what the? Young Greg is in the chat. How are you even on? How are you even in the live stream? You're literally in the den right now. I thought I blocked Wi-Fi access. Young Greg is asking to be noticed. No, young Greg, you can't be noticed. You cannot be noticed. Alright, so let's change this around. MBT tag, tag compound, tag. Yeah. Byte buff utils dot write tag. Alright, and then here we want to do like set. I don't have any set sort of file system. Or do I? Okay, I have nothing to do with setting the file system. Set file system data, which would actually just be file system dot basically it'd just be updating it, so whatever this is. Let's make a method here called public void update. Oops, MPT tag compound tag, and then we'll do root folder equals folder.read from tag. I think that's read from tag on a from tag. I think that's how it will work. Alright, let's start that again. Run it in debug mode. We'll also just skip the breakpoints. Whoops. Update data. I should be like a read. I should really do that again. Hold up. File system. Get root folder. Am I really not like from tag? Oh. That's how I'm doing it. Do I really want to do it like that? Maybe not. Alright, we'll just do whatever that is now. Alright, there we go. And let's load this up now. How long have I been live streaming for? Just because I don't want to live stream for long, and I want to kind of get up early tomorrow. I got up early this morning. I'm quite surprised with myself. I actually got up early this morning. I think I got, like, I know it doesn't sound like crazy, but I think I got up at like 9 AM. because like my schedule is probably different to you guys. Like I don't go to school anymore, so I can pretty much sleep in, and I can pretty much still sleep in even though I've got university as well. So you know, it's different being an adult. It is completely different being an adult. And I thought I had a topic to actually speak about in this live stream. Maybe you guys would be interested in hearing this topic. I'm just trying to like say it in a way, say it in like, I don't know how to describe it. I do know how to describe it, but I don't know how to say it to you guys. Like pretty much, like I could almost quit university and do like what I love, and that is, you know, doing this stuff, doing videos, because I love making videos and like that kind of stuff. And I could seriously like quit YouTube, no, not quit YouTube, quit university right now and actually like, you know, be fine and everything. And it's like something I've been like thinking about like a lot recently, because I've seen what daily videos has actually really done for my channel, and like you guys seem to be liking it. My channel's been growing quite a lot, like seriously a lot, and if I was to keep doing that, you know, that would be like really good for my channel. Like I'm literally right now on my main channel, guys, we are at like the most views I've ever had in a single month, which is crazy. So my channel's literally peaking right now, and it can continue to peak up. If I was able to, like, if I didn't go to university, I would have like way more time to continue to work on it. So it's like, it's something that's like really like stuck on my mind at the moment, whether or not like I don't want to quit university, but at the same time it's kind of holding me back with my YouTube channel, because daily videos is actually getting quite insane, and is helping my channel out a lot. Like it's hard to say, you know. Alright, so let's try something out here. Let me know what you guys think about this on this situation. What do you guys think? Because I don't know. I don't know what you guys think about this whole situation of should I quit university, or should like to focus on my channel, because it is kind of at its biggest point. Like it's still growing, you know. I'm literally peaking, getting the most views I've ever had on my main channel. And it's because of daily videos. Daily videos has literally been an amazing thing for my channel. Oop, and there we go. We got an error. Where was that error? Console. Oh, we got a null pointer exception. Not a null pointer exception. I don't think the we don't have the oh no, it was supposed to be a task. Task. Yeah, that's what it was supposed to be. Okay, just for now. Don't quit uni, education is more important. Kind of beg to differ there though, because like, or education's more important, you know. Like, I mean, it's cool to know stuff, but like it's hard for me to like say in a way. Like I love, like, I'm loving like what I'm doing on YouTube and creating videos. I love that whole entire process, and creating videos that you guys enjoy and everything like that. I love it so much, and it's also generating a decent amount of money for myself, and it's like, I don't know how to say it to you guys. Like, education is good, but at the same time, like, it's holding me back on my channel, which could be like blowing up essentially, you know. And like, if my channel was to reach like 1 million subscribers, like, that's like instantly, I mean, like, I'm getting decent money right now, but if I had like 1 million subscribers, that's like insane amount of, like, you know, it's like, it's gonna be good for my future. And like, even if somebody, like, even if YouTube didn't work out, like, I'd be able to say, I made this channel which gained over 1 million subscribers. I've done all this programming. I've been programming for 5 years. I've worked with like countless companies. I've worked with, you know, like, I've worked with Lenovo, I've worked with Intel, I've worked with Microsoft. Like, them hearing all that kind of stuff is like insane for them. They'd be like, let's get this guy right now. So I'm honestly, like, you know, I've got backup plans already if anything falls, but, you know, that doesn't seem likely any time soon that my channel's gonna fail, like, because it's literally getting the most views it's ever had. I don't tolerate, oh no, sorry, I was looking at the wrong comment there. I plan on taking an apprenticeship instead of university in 2 years. That's honestly a good move. But like, I'm just like, I'm so, like, I'm too far in. Like, if I was deciding to go to university next year now, I would say no university. Like, I don't know why I did it in the first place. Like it's just like, I could just say, oh, I'm quitting university, you know. I really don't want to touch any of that stuff. Alright, let's change this. Instead of doing it as a message, let's do it as a task, because tasks are better. It's pretty much the same. So how's it say task extends It'd be cool if Crayfish made mods for Terraria needs more cool mods. Not really. Like, I'm not really, like, I like Terraria. I'm gonna say Terraria. Some people say Terraria. Terraria. I mean, I like the game, but I'm not really like into coding mods for it, nor like, I'm not even like, I honestly have not even like played a lot of Terraria either. So like, I don't know a lot about the game. I don't want to come in and just be like, you know, I feel like I gotta know about the game more before I can actually start adding mods to it. Prepare request nbt.set. Oops. This.x. I want to change this around to tag. If I make a joke, can I get mod? Here it is. Yesterday I was in a sandstorm in Iraq. How did I get out? I ran. Oh my god. Nah, still don't get. You still don't get mod for that. Java is life. Java is love. Isn't it the opposite way around? Java is love. Java is life. Shrek is love. Shrek is life. Like, I built this entire ding. Built this whole like with the task system here. It's kind of like a whole entire wrapper built upon kind of the networking. What are these messages in Forge? I wanted to make it like easy for developers, that so they could easily create new tasks without having to register new messages every single time. I guess like a downside to it though is you can register like any sort of task you want, which can be dangerous, but you know, I mean it's not going to be dangerous, but it's not like oh no, technically it won't work on the server if you send a task that doesn't make sense, because if you send a task to a server that the server doesn't have, it's not going to know what to do with it, and it'll just basically discard it. We need to give this a super update file system. We've also got to register this task. Life is Java. Mr. Crayfish, I remade your elevator and added a few things to it. I posted a video to your Twitter under the name Jackfile. Could you check it out soon? Yeah, I'll check it out. Like, my elevator could easily have added a call system to it, because all you need honestly is like slime blocks, redstone block, and sticky pistons to activate the redstone at the top, and vice versa, go downwards. So it's pretty easy to add a call system to it, but I wanted to kind of make it like perfect for survival mode and really basic. That's kind of the whole goal of what that elevator was, is to make it really easy for everybody to actually use. What's missing here? Make it not public. What the fludge? Oh, what the? Move that. What's going on here? It's like giving me like a... It's like, I don't know what it's doing. Oh my god, go away, Cortana. You're not good. You're stupid, Cortana. Honestly, who uses voice kind of commands on a computer? Like, what were Microsoft thinking actually implementing that into a kind of desktop operating system? That should really just be kept for phones. It does not work. It's kind of just like all this crap with, like, I don't know, when Windows 8 was out and there was no such thing as like the start menu here. That was like the most stupidest thing ever. Hated that 100%. Oh, and I just closed off the chat. And it's back. I read major slime block elevator using command blocks to add a cooling system. Oh, okay, that would actually be easy. That'd be super easy. Are you going to do a phone in this? Also make a charger if you want. I use Cortana to turn up my TV volume and control my Xbox One. Oh, that's honestly not a bad way to use it, but still, I don't know. I personally don't use it. Maybe I'll check it out. Maybe I'll check it out one time. Hi, Mr. Crayfish. Can you tell me your top 5 favorite mods? I mean, like your own mods. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna assume like maybe I'm gonna base the list off my favorite ones that I actually developed. Like, as much as I like my furniture mod, it's become such a massive mod, and I will be updating it. It's just kind of not a super duper priority at the moment. There's like updates in that mod I really enjoyed making. I just think the worst part is just updating it every single time to a new version of Minecraft. That's like super duper annoying. I think the outdoor update was super fun to make, so I'd say, yeah, I'd say my furniture mod was fun to make. Gun mod was fun to make. I really like my gun mod, even though it's not released yet. This device mod I'm currently working on is probably one of my favorite mods I've worked on. What is two others? Let me think. Skateboarding mod was fun to work on, even though it's not like properly released. And also one more. I can't say RC car mod. I think the spells mod was quite fun to work on, even though it's not like finished. I think it was fun to work on during mod week. Or maybe my painting mod. Or the vending machine mod. I think they were like fun little teeny projects to work on. That confused me when you open your start menu and I thought it was mine. Because you probably had like full screen or something like that. Now, what is this, like Minecraft? What's it? I don't even know how this happened, but like I'm not sure. But like on my PS4, I automatically just started getting a download for Minecraft PS4 edition, when I'm pretty sure I didn't even buy it. Like, I bought the PS3 edition. I'm not sure if Sony or something like that decided, oh, if you got the PS3 version, you can have the PS4 version, because I literally turned on my PS4 and then it started downloading Minecraft PS4 edition. I was like, okay, whatever. So I've pretty much got the full game on there now. So that's a thing. That's a thing, I tell you. I don't even know. I don't even know how I got it. I just got it. I didn't have to pay for it. Like, I was just like genuinely confused. I'm just like, why am I getting this download? I didn't buy it. Like, I've never been confused so much. It's just like, why is this downloading? I don't know. Can someone help me? It's literally just downloading. I didn't even buy it. It just randomly happened. But I'm not sure if maybe did that happen to you guys? Like, if you had the PS3 edition, did you get it for free on PS4? Because like, I even like went onto the store, right, to see if I could get Minecraft on my PS4, and like it said I hadn't purchased it and I needed to buy it, and then just randomly one day it just started downloading. I'm like, I didn't buy this. And I could probably even check like my order history. I didn't even buy it. I really see the code as a whole nother language. Well, that's pretty much what it is. It's a computer language. It's pretty much just like any kind of normal language. You just kind of know how to read it, you know? Know how to read it and know how to write it. That's why it's called a language. Yeah, it's a fake Jake Paul. Fake Jake Paul in the comments, everybody. It's every day, bro. It's every day. Alright, so what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, we changed it to a task. Task update file system, and then in here, developer mode. Okay, we want to put it in here. Task proxy.register task. Alright, let's see if that works. Oh no, hold up. No. Where's this laptop? We need to do here instead. Task proxy. Send task new. Task update file system. Alright, so I hope... Oh no, hold up, we got another error. Should work now. Should work now. What is bad, he is actually trying to impersonate... What is bad is he is actually trying to impersonate Jake Paul. Guys, the mod he's making is MCPC only? Of course. Can I play Minecraft Pocket Edition? Maybe. I wanted to do live streams, like, I've been trying to figure out, I probably even mentioned it in the previous live stream, I've been trying to figure out what type of live streams, because I want to do like a live stream on my main channel, but I've just been trying to figure out what I could do. I wanted to do something Minecraft, but then people were saying like I should try something else, like maybe, like I wanted to like live stream, I want to do like, I would like to do like GTA 5, but I'd really like to kind of get you guys like in kind of like a crew, so we could actually do like a ton of all the missions with like the new DLC and that kind of stuff. So that's like what I like, because I never really like, the thing with like the new DLC and that kind of stuff, you really need people to work with you, and like if you're just like playing by yourself, it's like, it's hard to even do half of that stuff, like especially with like, because in GTA Online I recently just bought like one of the bikey businesses, so I'm like able to sell like product, like I'm like generating product and like want to be able to sell it, so I need like people to actually like help me to do that, and you know, it's difficult with just one person, so I don't know, I want like, it'd be cool to be able to play with you guys on it. But like, if I'm going to be able to play with you guys, it would have to be like over live stream, so I can actually kind of like communicate with you guys. Or you can even, oh no, you can't communicate like in online on PC. Maybe I'll have to get the PC version. Maybe I'll have to get the PC version for you guys. Because then, like, how many of you guys have got GTA 5 on PS4 or PC? Let me know in the chat right now. Why is it crashing now? Null pointer exception. I think I know. Laptop. Go down to packet. Here we go. This one here is the problem. We actually haven't registered that. And why is that being dirty when I don't actually use that anymore? Let's go back down to note stash here. We don't need that anymore. I have it on neither. I have it on PS4, PC. People are saying they got them mostly on PC. But some people are having it on PS4 as well. PC and PS4. Like, I've been really tempted to get it on PC. I'm just kind of like the PS4 edition's like the only edition of GTA where it doesn't have like a lot of, I don't think it even has like, I haven't seen any hackers on PS4. I think it's like the one that's like kind of most protected and it's more difficult for them to even like hack it. But PC apparently is like, it's like modders all the time, you know? Alright, that works. Still there, let's quit. Will this work? Will this work? No! Why isn't it like sending it? What is going on here? Put a breakpoint there. See what's going on. PC gets all the cheaters in games. Pretty much. The PC version cracks down on hackers in under 24 hours and they get banned. Okay. That's cool. Also, GTA 5 checks for a change in the files, and if there is, you can't go online. Oh yeah, I remember that. I think that was like to do with all the modding and that kind of stuff. I mean, like obviously playing with a single player, I think it blocks you from going into online. You should make it so if you view the laptop at night, it gives you a slight blindness when you close it. You're just like, oh god, oh god. That'd be ultra realistic. Alright, I know it's 100% there. Oh. Oh, oopsie, I'm skipping the breakpoints. Oh god. Oh. Dabbing before it was cool. Coughing into your, like, I always had to do that when I was working at a supermarket. Dab into your arm to cough. before dabbing was a thing. Ugh. I don't get why it's not like... Unless I'm like... Because like, it keeps returning that there's no files being saved. Even though... Oops. Dab. We didn't realize Cray was 20. I might actually head off real soon. I'm kind of like this device mod is really just like ticking me off in a way. Like, it's like I just want to get this file system done, you know? I've been working on it for ages and like there's been like zero progress. So it's been like really... what's going on here? Okay. So we say when we retrieve, we say to tag. I think it does it twice because it wants to get an update packet, which is fine, which is not fine actually. Why is it wanting to send an update? I don't know. Okay, so it definitely has... Oops. So it's definitely like saving the data here. Where's this happening? Alright, there we go. Because it's coming a very big problem that I can't even get this working. Endermail, does that only work on multiplayer? Send and get? It can work in single player. But obviously you won't be able to basically send any messages to anybody. Get out of here. Oh my god. Start that again. My PC has 4GB RAM, GeForce GT 610, and the processor is AMD Radeon. That sounds very old, my friend. You need to get an upgrade. You need to get that 1080 Ti upgrade, mate. Not a cheap card though, I'll tell you that. Not a cheap card at all, but you know. I was just waiting for it to load, but I actually had to press continue. Fire. Well, that explains a lot, actually. Oh no, file system is like... Oh my god. Can't figure out the sequencing here. Oh my god. And I've documented it all and I still can't figure it out. Oh my god. Ah. Literally, it's like keeps returning to the client that nothing. Like, it must be. It's something to do with the save. It's something to do with the saving and loading. Let's just take a look at tile entity. No, don't do that. Stop. Let's restart that. Can you make a fidget spinner app for the device? Oh my god. Trying to turn my mod into a meme again. My computer only has 2 gigabyte of DDR3 RAM and 32 gig of space. 32 gig of space, oh my god. You look died. Crayfish, do you remember the stream where you spent 20 minutes trying to work something out, then you deleted it? Can you recap what I did there? What is in compound? Okay, I might have figured this out actually. Why is... Why is that saving like that? There's no such thing as laptop data anymore. Oh my god, how do I switch back? How do I switch back the run? No, oh no. Oh my god. Run. How do you switch? Because like right now I've got a Minecraft running, however I accidentally run another instance of it in IntelliJ. How do I retrieve back this original run? Because I know how to do it in Eclipse, but how do I do it in IntelliJ? Multiple instances. How do I get back to that other instance? Oh my god. Why is this difficult? Now I'm just gonna start it all again. Nah, I'm starting it all again. I'm gonna be ending the live stream soon anyway because I'm getting annoyed. I'm getting annoyed that this whole entire file system thing is really bugging me so much. It's like honestly I wouldn't say it's the worst thing, it's literally the most stressful thing I've ever had to deal with, and right now I'm like I'm dealing with something that I had solved before until I made changes. Let's see what I did here. History, forgot to include combats. There's just tons of things I just want to like revert. It's like, why? Where in the world is laptop data tag coming from? Oh no, it might already be in there. Yeah, that might be why. Alright, continue here. File system equals no. Alright, cool. Let's just continue from there. Let's create something. Take that off. Quit. When does it save? Oh no, maybe. Do I actually gotta do Mark Dirty? I think I do. Hold up. If I have to do that, I'm gonna be annoyed. I'll push code. Oh, dang. Someone just gave me a super chat. I think you need a coffee. Thank you so much, Angel. I'm definitely going to get one in the morning with that money because I've been trying to get up early. I actually got up at 9 AM this morning and instantly had a coffee. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to get a coffee for you. Thank you so much for that super chat. You're actually the second person to actually super chat. So thank you so much. That's definitely boosted my spirit. I'm not gonna lie. Like seriously, I'm gonna get a coffee with that. I will get a coffee with that. I promise you right now. I did not even see that for like 10 years until it was like halfway up the chat there. I'm sorry that it took a while for me to notice. But let's get back here and let's see if we can actually figure this out. So let's go to note stash here. Let's create something. Ugh. Ugh. The struggles right now, guys. The struggles are real. Alright, so 100% still got that there. If I quit. Alright, I've got things. I've got the breakpoint skipping, so it won't freeze for me when I quit. However, why? Can someone tell me why? It should be there. It should be there. I'm good. I'm good though, guys. I'm good. Rest in peace. Hey there, guys. How's it going? Just, hey. What up, dudes? It's Crayfish. How you going? How you going, dudes? Oh my god. Ah! Nah, flip it. I need to... This is the problem here. Boom, there we go. Whoa. Ah, there we go. Back to the old basic one. So it's pretty much the same still, I think. It's just literally, I've gotten to a point where I've written so much broken code that I'm like completely lost in the direction that I want to go. Like, I just need to restart. I mean, like, restart kind of writing a lot of this folder system. That can stay. Can I? Alright, hold up. Version control git. How can I? Alright, so I can see all the changes that happened. I intend on sending a supercharge on the first stream of yours after August 19th when I get back to Leeds. Dope, dude. I'll be looking forward to that. I'll be looking forward to that. If it's for a coffee, I'm down. I am down. Whoa. Who posted that character in... Someone posted a character in the chat which, like, draws over everything. Oh my god. Can everybody see that character? I think it's Roxy Jump. Hey Roxy, what are you doing? You're drawing over everybody's with that character. I just need to undo like what's the changes? Let's keep them. Alright, let's see what file browser. What's that giving me a error about? File rename. What? Must be missing from it. Get name. Get opening app. Set data. This dot rename. This dot name equals name. Cool. Does that fix that? Yeah, it does. Get folder. See you later. You're going away. You were never here before. Get files. See you later. Get action. See you later. There's just so much stuff that I'm just like, oh my god, everybody's posting that same character again. Oh my god. Application file browser. What's going on there? Oh yeah. Laptop. What's going on here? This is the problem that now that we've got all of this, I'm gonna have to come back to this. I'm not. If I continue working, I'm just gonna kill my. I'm not gonna kill myself, but you know, it's literally becoming that stressful that what is. It's like, yeah, it's just becoming that stressful. I don't know. I'll have to end off this live stream. I will see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed hanging out today. Thank you guys again for the super chat, Angel. Thank you so much for that. And I'll do quickly Twitter shoutouts. Almost forgot to do them. Twitter shoutouts for you guys that retweeted over on Twitter. So let's go over there. Check them out. I didn't forget you guys. I did not forget you guys. So, oh damn, we got 32 retweets on this. Dang, I think that's like a record so far. Merrick Josephek, Dan IlKP123, William O. I'm trying to get through this quick. Willem 3380, Doglover 833. Don't know how to say your name, unfortunately. Rebel71, Hypixely, Nicholas Owens, Omar115, Redstone KPL, Lollybot, Unknown Nightmare 45, Corey the Zombie, Thomas D. Bart, Riley West, Mr. Mel, Jacob2, It's Jakey, Ironcraft456, GCG, Someone, Jozzle, King Yoshi, don't know how to say it, Red Per. Thank you guys for all the retweets over on Twitter there. Oh my god, some people just really wanna. I don't get people that like say that people just like straight up they like try to swear at me. I'm just like instant block, instant block. I'm like, you just literally just wasted your time and you got yourself blocked in this chat for literally swearing. Like, there's honestly just like no tolerance towards that. But yeah, that's gonna end off this live stream. People literally just retweeted then. I think like a ton of other people just retweeted. Hold up, I know, still got 32. But yeah, it's going to end the live stream. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. 2 hours pretty much. That's alright for a live stream, you know. But, you know, I gotta get... was it 2 hours? I don't know. I think my... Hold up, let me just refresh this. Because YouTube is literally glitched when it comes to live stream. Oh no, it was 2 hours. Okay. Did I start at 9:30? I thought I started at 10. Oh yeah, I did start. That makes... Okay. My maths is like completely off. But yeah, that's it. I will see you guys later. I'll probably work on the device mod in my own time. I don't want to bore you guys any longer with all this stuff because it's stressing me out, and I feel like to you guys it's not super entertaining. Like honestly, 99.9% of this live stream was in code and it was never really in game working on something exciting. So I'll try and make the next device mod live stream actually something exciting and you guys will really enjoy it. But yeah, again, I will see you guys later. Bye. Is it stopping? Is it stopping?